We have another example on the board. This time we're supposed to find the line which is parallel to y-axis and passing by point -6, -7. The easiest way to solve this kind of problems is to draw this problem first. So we have xy plane. This is my x coordinate, this is my y coordinate, and I have x equal -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I have y-axis -7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is my point with these coordinates -6 and -7. Now, the line is parallel to y-axis, so I'm supposed to draw the line which is parallel to y-axis. This line passes by point -6, -7, and also, please notice, is going to cut x-axis at point -6, 0. Okay? The point at this line will have always x-coordinate equals -6. Y-coordinate is going to change, but because x-coordinate is always the same, in this case it's equal to -6, the equation of line looks x equals -6, and this is the solution to my problem.